focus. Andre, stay back. And that's it.
Wow.
Oh, so much smoke. What?
You guys
I
want
saw
to do the swords?
something in front of me.
You guys want to do the swords?
Yeah. Yeah, let's do the sword.
Wow, how does this
You just throw them on the ground.
You got one?
Kimmy,
Where's
you
the sword?
just this one.
Oh,
yeah,
those?
you just throw these
you
on the
open
ground.
it and you just like throw it and it pops. Can I do it? Is that what those ones were? No, those ones you have to light up. Those
Okay,
you
no,
just,
don't,
they make
you don't open it.
Ready? I'm gonna throw
One
these.
of these one here.
Come on, Ariana. Come catch this. I'm not catching it. Oh yeah. I knew that.
Come on, Andre. Just throw it. Throw it on the ground. Really hard.
Oh man. Don't worry,
Throw it
Andre.
really hard. It did. Oh, that obviously doesn't work. Okay, let's do a lot. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, so we get to do a lot. Ready? Come help me. Give me a hand. Ready? 1, 2,
Be
3,
focused.
throw,
Be
okay?
focused.
Ready? 2,
Focus.
3,
Focus.
go.
Focus.
No, Andre. Don't touch him.
Yeah. Why? Oh gosh.
Whoa, those ones are fun.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Let's do it over here. Come on.
Shadows.
I like these ones. Those are better done during the daytime.
Yeah.
What about?
Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun.
You gotta decide he wants us away from the house a little more.
All right, let me get my chair. Ah! So, I'm just gonna take the rest of your Mountain Dew.
Go ahead.
Yes.
You want to do that one? Okay.
So, is the sword like a humongous sparkler?
What, this?
No, like the sword.
Yeah, it is.
You can barely see him. Mountain Dew. I love Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew is so good. So good. So good.
Pretty good ones.
Mom, this
Yeah, our neighbors in the neighborhood.
He goes, you just throw them, and I was like, yeah, that's it.
it, and I was like, I'd like to think of you whenever I do it. I have a lot of inner anger towards you.
Yeah,
He
Mommy's
goes,
not gonna
"Yeah."
hold that when we light that up.
Mom,
Okay?
it's coming off.
We're gonna put it on
Kim.
the bottle. We're gonna
It's
go
coming
here.
off.
The stuff inside of the little thing that you threw, it just
Mom, it's
it,
coming off.
Then stop
it just
playing with it.
came towards me and just hit my face.
Andre,
Good.
you can do it. We just have to
Fire.
go over here.
What?
You just have to express your inner anger. Like, you just gotta YOLO.
I don't want a YOLO.
Jamie, you wanna do it?
Oh my god.
The bottle?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there. Where you are? Right here.
I don't like it. Oh, I love it.
Okay, you wanna do that one,
Who's
right?
ready to watch this big one? Who's ready? Watch.
Ah, gosh, that scared me. Mom, what is in
Here,
that
let me throw one at
bottle?
your foot. I got you.
No. Dad.
Can it like hurt you? Can it hurt you?
Yeah, you can do like a little shot.
All right. This is
No.
Try some.
No. Don't do it. She's
No,
evil.
I'm serious, Kaden.
Where you searching? What do you have there?
I'm going to that.
You watch these one first, guys. Go back on the chairs.
Wait, but Dad, look at this one.
Back of the chairs.
Yeah.
Hear that?
I have to bring the chair over here, buddy.
Watch this one first, okay? Move. What's that one? Andre, look, Andre, look.
Dad, you're awesome.
That's one of the ones we got for free. Okay, you got it? Come here. Okay, let's do the short.
0 hours, 7 minutes, and 32.
This.
Okay, come on, Andre. I'll show you. Okay,
So
I'll
it's
show
a
you.
huge sparkler.
You want that one?
She's evil.
Just take a handful.
She's evil.
Fine, whatever. You ready for this?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Who are you? Just kidding. All right, wait till I open it. Hold this. I need 2 hands. to open this.
What, do you throw it on the ground? Do you throw it on
Alright.
the ground?
Ready? Come here. So, take a handful. So I shove a handful in my hand like this. All right, now open your hand. All right, very carefully. Now throw them. Ready for this one? Oh crap! Ah, ready?
Whoa.
Up, así, Andre, así. La idea, Andre. Así, Andre, así, mira. Muévela. Woohoo.
Good job, Andre. Give me a high five. Yeah.
Awesome. Are you okay?
Does anyone else want to pop these? 'Cause I just want to keep popping them.
Go ahead.
Awesome. Well, I'll